Hello, in front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you coverage mechanics tutorial. In the beginning, go to tutorials and go to basic defense. Scroll down and go to coverage mechanics. Before we talk about coverage mechanics, we will learn about how to switch players when the ball is in the air. Switch to the pass defender closest to the intended receiver by pressing the button while the ball is in the air. After switching, the game will guide the player to landing spot unless LS is pressed. Switch players with the button while the ball is in the air. There are three coverage techniques: play receiver, play ball, and swap ball, that the user can decide to use after they have switched to the defender with the B button. By pressing the A button while the ball is in the air, the player will try and secure the tackle. Secure tackles are good in situation when you need to make a tackle, such as receiver is short of a first down. Switch to the closest pass defender by pressing B button and secure the tackle on the play by hitting A button. Pressing the Y button while the ball is in the air, the player will perform ball hop mechanic and try to intercept the ball. Switch to the closest pass defender by pressing the button and play the ball by hitting Y. By pressing X while the ball is in the air, the defender will try to swat down the ball. And that's basically. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe.